This is my first video. In this series we will solve some leetcode problems, basically DB problems. So there is a question, added distance, leetcode 72 number problem. So in this question we have given word 1 and word 2. We have to change word 1 to word 2. As you can see, word 1 and word 2, you have the following three operations. We have to do these three operations and change word 1 to word 2. So we will solve. Okay, so now we will solve. How can we solve? So firstly we have to declare the size. So I am taking int n equals to word1 dot size, and int m equals to word2 dot size. So we can see there is a repetition, so we can use recursion, but as you can see the constraints demanding dp, so we will use dp. So we have to create a dp. Basically it's a 2D dp because we can see there is a word 1 and word 2, so we have to declare the indices of word 1 and word 2, and though there are two indices basically, so it is 2D dp. So vector of vector int dp of size n plus 1 comma vector of int m plus 1 comma minus 1. I am declaring with minus 1. So basically it is a simple question here. So I am taking two indices, int I equals to 0 and int j equals to 0. So return solve. This is my function. The word 1 comma word 2 comma I comma j comma dp. Okay, this portion is completed. So now we have to make a function which name is solve. So in solve string we have to pass string word 1 comma string word 2 comma int I int j and this dp. dp we have to pass in by reference. So now what will be the base cases? Let's discuss about base cases. So if I is greater than equal to word 1 dot size, then what we have to do is return word 2 dot size minus j. And also there is same if j is greater than equal to word 2 dot size, then what we have to return word 1 dot size minus I. My base cases are completed. So they basically it is a dp, so there is a constant also dp of phi of j not equals to minus 1, then return dp of I of j. So we have to take if now what we have to do is if word 1 equals to word2. If word1 equals to 1 2, then return solve word1 comma word2 comma increment the indices of I and j comma j plus 1 comma dp. In else case, what we have to do, we have to make the answer indices also equals to, we have to find minimum number of ways na, that's why we will declare answer as int max. So in this case, in else condition, basically this one else condition, what we have to do, we have three ways to convert word1 to word2. So int insert equals to as well solve, बेसिकली 1 प्लस सॉल्व, बिकॉज हम जिस इंडेक्स पे खड़े हैं उसको भी काउंट करना पड़ेगा. 1 प्लस सो एल बी सॉल्व word1 comma word2 comma, we have to increment jth index, second word2 index comma dp. Second operation is int delete equals to 1 plus solve word1 word2 comma, in this I think index will increase, so I plus 1 comma j comma dp. And third operation is int replace equals to 1 plus solve 1 comma word2 comma increment, we have to, in this we have to increment ith and jth what indexes. Okay, so now what we have to do is answer equals to minimum of answer comma minimum of delete comma minimum of insert comma replace. This should be there. So dp of I of j equals to answer and return dp. So now I think this is a completed, so now we will run. There is some issue. What is the issue in this? We will see. What is the issue? Minimum. There is a minimum issue. So we will check this is a completed. If it's so ये सही है, यहाँ से ये भी सही है. So what can be the issue? Anyone? Oh, there is an issue. This one. Now this is perfect, I think. We will run. Again there is an issue. What is the issue in this question? Answer equals to minimum of insert comma delete comma replace. Oh, this issue. Replace meaning issue यार. इतनी सी गलती बताओ, पूरा कोड गलत हो जाता है, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. Oh, it is giving wrong answer. Why it is giving wrong answer? But check. Why it is giving this one is perfect. This one is perfect. This one perfect. Oh, bird one of I. देख रहे हो कितनी गलती होती है. अभी बिगिनर हूँ ना मैं भी. मीन्स बिगिनर नहीं, पर अभी थोड़ा इतना मिस्टेक हो जाता है. फर्स्ट वीडियो है ना. सी अगेन गिविंग रॉन्ग आंसर. कितनी बार रॉन्ग आंसर देगा भाई. This insert, this one is perfect. Delete one is perfect. This one also perfect. Answer equals to minimum of insert comma minimum of delete comma replace. Delete of dp of I of j equals to answer, and return this one. This one is perfect. This one also perfect. So what is the problem? Please have a look. What is the problem here? This one. Now perfect. Code is running 0 millisecond, taking time. Okay, submit this code. So now perfect. So this is a video. This is my first video actually, that's why I am nervousing. So like कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, एंड अगली वीडियो के लिए थोड़ा प्रोत्साहित कीजिए, जिससे कि मैं अगली वीडियो ला सकूं. अगर थोड़ा भी समझ में आया, आई थिंक आज इतना नहीं आया होगा, पर फिर भी सपोर्ट कीजिए. आई विल मेक मी परफेक्ट.